Huh? We keep it the same, so this is going to be our m. Okay, and then I got my x1, y1. Okay, I have a point and a slope. So what formula am I going to use? Point slope. Okay, so it's going to be y minus y1 is 5. My m is negative 5 over 4. X minus my x1 is 4. Okay, I can change that minus minus to a plus. Okay, are we finished or not?
No.
Why do you think no? Yeah, so we need our y all by itself. So now our next step then would be to do what? Distribute. So I got y minus 5 equals negative 5 over 4x. Here's what a lot of you guys did on your test. I don't know what in the world a bunch of you guys are doing. You got this part right, but then you just wrote either the 4 or the 5 over 4. You didn't actually multiply. Okay, you have to multiply negative 5 over 4 times 4. Okay, and the calculators do the fractions for you. So it's not like you've never done multiplying fractions before. Okay, so you're going to have negative 5 is what's going to end up becoming. Okay, and now what?
You do plus the 5.
Plus the 5 on both sides. So I got y equals negative 5 over 4x. But you can say plus 0 minus 0. It doesn't really matter.
You gotta write plus 0?
No. Okay, but I just did so we can look at this. So look at our original line right here. Are the slopes the same?
Yeah.
They are. And they should be when we're looking at parallel lines. They have the same slopes. What about the intercepts? The y-intercepts?
No.
No, and so what that's saying is this line is up here, and this line is down here. They're never going to touch, okay? They are parallel. One's just a little 3 steps ahead of the other one, okay? So, just something to think about. Look at the next one. Okay, it says parallel. So parallel, do we keep the same slope or change it?
Keep it.
We keep it. Okay, so our slope is what?
Is that the pool again? Is that the pool?
Yeah, I don't know what's going
I
on.
love that sound.
Will the pool come?
Sounds like a
water come
Is it
slowly
just-
into it?
No, I had a leak once from the pool.
Rubber ducky?
Like if you look at that thing, I had a leak once and then I had to fix it.
So you're right under it?
Yeah, I mean I'm not like right under it, but pretty much. That's why that thing had leaked. And I
Imagine
had
if
to
the
plug
pool
it.
crashed.
Yeah, imagine the pool just crashed right on top.
Like you just go flood right outside of your room.
That'd be so fun.
Like you can have a
Yay.
swimming pool in your classroom.
Okay, y minus y1 is 5. My m is 10. Boys, quiet. X minus my x1 is 4. Okay, are we finished or no?
No.
Why do you think no?
Because you gotta do something by yourself.
Yeah, we're trying to get y by itself. So we need to distribute. Okay, so I'm gonna have y minus 5, negative 10x, and this is gonna be positive 40. Okay, then what?
Oh, you plus 5.
Plus 5 on both sides.
Sorry for screwing around.
You're fine. You're enthusiastic about math. I'm not hating.
Well, at least it's not Spanish.
You saying that because I'm brown, or?
What? No, that's not what I'm saying. God, these teachers are whack.
I was like, you heard that. You don't get as riled up as your brother does, so it's not as fun. Oh God, he gets so mad. The other one.
The other one.
Oh,
his name's just
Lord have mercy.
Say Michael.
I call him the Hulk because he gets so mad about stupid stuff.
With Andrew. No, Andrew's not
Little
there.
brother does.
I know.
And Michael likes her.
Call him.
Oh, I don't want to do that. Okay, look at 15.
Yep.
Okay, 15. You have to pay attention when you guys are doing these. Don't just run through them. Pay attention if it's telling you parallel or perpendicular. So this one is perpendicular. That's what perp means. So what do we do with the perpendicular slopes?
We negative. I mean, we flip.
We gotta flip it. So right now it's negative 1 over 2. So what's gonna be the new fraction?
Positive.
Positive.
2 over 1. And why do you say it's gonna be positive?
Because it's already negative.
Because it's already negative. And what is 2 over 1?
2.
It's just 2. And 2 is going to be easier when you distribute. Obviously, distributing a whole number versus fractions are easier, okay? So I would just use 2, but if you use 2 over 1, that's totally fine. So we got y minus, my y1 is negative 5. 2x minus negative 1. Okay, and then I need to make, those are minus, minus is pluses. And then what?
by itself.
Okay, so if you have that 1 underneath there, some of you guys are going to get confused because you don't know how to do fractions in your head. So I would get rid of the 1 if you can, if it's on the bottom. Okay, if it's not, then you can't. But, so I got y plus 5 equals 2x plus 2.
Minus the 5.
Minus the 5.
Subtract that boy.
Hmm?
Wait, isn't Christmas break in like 3 weeks?
Thanksgiving break.
I don't want to come back after
Wait,
Thanksgiving. I want to
It's okay. If we get done soon enough, we won't have to do anything that Monday and Tuesday before Thanksgiving break. And the Monday we come back, I won't be here. So that'll give you guys a little bit of time to sleep because I'm going to take my licensing test and fail for the 500th time.
Why? Or what?
You can't drive?
Why?
No, my teaching license.
Why?
Your teaching license? So you're not even supposed to be here right now?
No, that's not. We'll talk about it in a minute. I'm trying to record. Okay, perpendicular. What do we need to do with the slope?
We just flip it.
We need to flip it. So what's it going to be?
3 over 4. But negative.
And so this is going to be our m, negative 3 over 4.
We're rowdy today.
A little bit. So y minus negative 2 is going to be negative 3 over 4, x minus negative 3. You're not as bad as my 6th period.
Wait, negative. Yeah, no, I'm not. Definitely not. Probably quite as.
You knew them in 6th grade?
Why are you looking at me like that, Bill? You're gonna have a problem here?
Brandon, hush your mouth.
You're looking at me like
I'm about to look at you. We're about to have a problem.
She's taunting me. Like,
No, she's just doing her work.
Where,
she just straight up like put the fist at me.
Maybe she's tired of listening to you talk.
I sharpen my pencil right now.
So I can't even blame her if she gives you the hands, because maybe you should. Little less.
You ever read my amendment?
I got you.
I can
Okay,
say what I want.
minus, Brandon, shh. Okay, so it's gonna be y plus 2. It's gonna be negative 3 over 4x. It's gonna be negative 9 over 4. And then we gotta subtract that 2.
Yeah, you got it right.
Okay, subtract 2 from there. Say minus 2. Negative 9 over 4. I think it'd be 17.
What'd you do? What'd you do, man?
What?
Can I come